Hi guys, I've been wanting to have a go at Lost PLA Casting for ages, and I've just bought a 3D printer, so now is the perfect time. After my Viking jewellery cast last time, I thought I'd stay historical and go with a Saxon Cross. After a quick play on Fusion 360, I was able to make this design. I printed 3 more to triple my chances of success, and I included this small spike. Whilst this might make a great double action vampire killer, its actual purpose is to make it easier to attach some wax sprues. Just like with wax casting, these get covered in investment plaster and are baked for several hours according to the manufacturer's instructions. During this time, the PLA was able to melt and drip free of the plaster, leaving a void behind. Again, just as with Lost Wax Casting, I made use of my homemade vacuum system. The pour went well, and I impatiently waited half an hour to let things cool off, having learned my lesson about rushing things last time. And look at that! What an amazing result! In honesty, I wasn't expecting anything near this quality. I can't explain to you how crisp these castings are. They're amazingly sharp, and it seems every turn of the printer nozzle can be seen here. It truly is an amazing result. Unfortunately, the same can't be said for the other side. There's considerable porosity, and even though I degas the metal, this is quite severe. I hoped a little grinding would fix this, but regrettably it was deep within the metal. The castings came out amazingly, with great precision and very little shrinkage. However, it seems I need to start thinking in terms of porosity. Fortunately, now I have a 3D printer, I've already got a few ideas percolating, and you can be sure I'll share them with you soon. But other than porosity, I think we can call Lost PLA Casting a complete success, and I'll be doing more of it, I'm certain. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, please like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and look out for my other videos on my YouTube channel. Send in any questions or video requests, and feel free to drop me a comment below. It's always great to hear from you guys. So that's it for now, guys. Take care, and thanks for watching.